What's up, everybody? Time to start posting some videos. This is a 1955 Chevy 3100. It belonged to my great-grandfather. Used on a farm its whole life, so it's got a little bit of dents and dings and patina. So this thing ran, but I put some fresh plugs and wires and coil, distributor cap, new rotor button. So you probably noticed it's got a new carb on it here. The original was working just fine, but I had an issue where it backfired, and I've had some issues getting it running since. So fresh carburetor was cheap. I decided to put it on to see if it was a carburetor issue. It is not. One of the issues I found, I'm sure you noticed this zip tie down here that still needs to be cut off. I had to epoxy the spacer between the manifold and the carburetor because it cracked whenever it backfired. Well, after repairing that, it still runs funny. I think it may be the intake manifold gasket. Could potentially have a break in it from the backfire. I have also heard that the timing gear, which is a fiber gear, can slip a tooth or break a tooth off if the thing backfires. And with the age of this, it wouldn't surprise me if that's what's happened. So I think my next steps here, because I know I'm going to break every head off of these bolts to get this manifold off. I think I'm going to start down here with this timing cover and see what the timing gear looks like first. I think that's going to be my easiest starting point, but I'm afraid it's going to be a manifold gasket, which that's okay. It'll give me the opportunity to pull these bolts out and put studs in with nuts instead of having all the rotational force on long bolts that are definitely going to break. So I think what I will do is pull some components out here to make it easy for me to get to that cover and drain the oil because it needs changing anyway. And we will pull that cover off and see what that gear looks like. See ya.